Alright guys, so I've got this tape switch and I ran into a problem where I tried to install it, and where I put the wire ties through like you traditionally do, I went through the side holes on the BCM rail there, and it wasn't until taking it to the range, trying to take it to a match, realizing that my shot was thrown off because the cable with the wire tie going through it was actually touching the gas tube, and my forend was no longer free floated, so it was affecting my my groups. So I thought about Cloud Defensive, and I thought about their mount at $70. So I just kind of sat thinking in my gun room, oh, what can I do? What can I do? And I thought about the Knights Armament rail panels that they have, and thinking, oh, maybe the secret is in here. You know, maybe there's some way that I could, you know, that almost fits if I could find some kind of a combination. And then I thought about those Ergo Ladder style rails that were real popular a couple years back. And then I had a bit of a breakthrough when it fit, like, almost perfectly. I mean, certainly enough, you know, when it's, look at that, when it's pinned down. And if you want it to fit tighter, well, my friends, you can even gather, because remember, you're going to have excess cable that you have to work with. You're going to have to gather. Don't use wire ties for that either. Basically run it along the side, and then the tape switch fits even tighter into the ladder rail. Let's take a look. So basically all I did was I just took a pair of household grade scissors and cut it to my desired length, right? And all I have to do now is press fit it exactly at the 12 o'clock position on the rail where I want. Now, I gotta warn you, so when Ergo makes these, sometimes there's a little bit of overmold, right, to the top of the ladder rail. But that's okay, because if you press, you will get it in. You might just have to go individually with each of the rails like I'm doing. And that's all I did, was I installed it inverted, because I was inverted. Top Gun reference. Anyway, let me go ahead and attach this. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed. Not really, I guess. Surefire makes a quality product. Get that bad boy in there. And look, I'm just doing this with one hand, guys, as I'm trying to film this for you. So see, look, I'm even putting tension on it, right? As I'm putting the cable in there, and then I'm just press fitting it right on top of the entire assembly. And look how much tension I had to use to get it in there. And I could make like a little adjustment, but my friends, look, it's gathered. The excess is taken care of, and you're snapped in literally for pennies on the dollar. I mean, seriously, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Please click if you like this. If you want to give it a try, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and let me know if it works for you. I'm going to take this to the range and run it. No wire ties, no nothing, and I'm about $70 richer.